Hi, I'm Ryan, and
Clayton Junior Business or whatever.
be quiet. I don't like you anymore, Joseph. Yeah. Speaking of Joseph, that is Joseph Vassapoli right there, the owner of Just Smokin'. Okay, chill out.
But I'm also, if I am gonna, I should be doing this on my phone. But if I am getting rid of my ownership. If I will give somebody, one of my subscribers, owner of that game. Okay? Okay? Okay!
I'm scared now. But in the morning we will be performing some dumb tricks.
Ways to die.
Yeah, dumb tricks on ways to die. But we're not actually gonna die. It's just really gonna hurt us really bad, even though I have back issues. But that won't stop me.
And also, I'd
I'm
like to
very
go
dumb.
start guiding. Subscribe to Joseph Going Lost by Guiding.
Yes, please subscribe to that. Bro, subscribe to this man's channel completely. Like and subscribe, please.
Subscribe to Therian4567. That's my sister.
Okay, please subscribe to all those. Please like and subscribe to me. I have 0 subscribers, 0 likes, 0 comments, and 0 shares. Please help me. I'm on my way to 1,000 subscribers right now.
100K.
Yeah, more like 100K.
Yeah. If you want a silver plate.
Yeah, trust me.
But also, you should make like.
I
want
want
like 150 or something like that.
Bro, I want $1,000 worth of nothing but diamonds as a YouTube play button. I want a diamond play button right now, but unfortunately,
you can't get it. It's like 1 million subscribers, bro.
That will take time.
And I'm at like 300.
Bro, chill. Alright, anyways, that is the end of my video. I will see y'all tomorrow, and yeah, bye.